First thing first, you need to have geographical data that you want to embed in a Power BI report. You need to get the data for the ArcGIS Map. I assume that you do not have a subscription to ArcGIS. This means you can only use data from USA. I just take the example for Hawaiian Islands, and the data is publicly available from US Census. Here is the site, and I'm grabbing the data from the Gazetteer. This is the data I'm grabbing from the census site. There are 9 columns from this data. I may or may not use all of the data, but I'm certainly going to use some of them. Launch Power BI Desktop using Get Data menu item. Click on text/CSV. Now, browse to the location of your download from the census site and get the file you downloaded. The file gets displayed in the Power BI user interface. You click the load button. Therefore, the data gets loaded and the data columns appear as fields in Power BI. That is all, folks. Thank you.